Pineapple lamb shank homemade recipe. Let's get started with the recipe. First, let's marinate the lamb shank. Rub salt onto the lamb shank. Sprinkle some black pepper onto the lamb shank. Onion powder. Sprinkle some onion powder onto the lamb shank. Ginger powder. Sprinkle some ginger powder onto the lamb shank. Tamari soy sauce. Put some soy sauce onto the lamb shank. Rub thoroughly. Refrigerate overnight. On the next morning, let's get started cooking the lamb shank. Onions, garlic, carrot, fresh pineapples, mushrooms. Wash everything. Take out the marinated lamb shank from the fridge. Chop the onions into smaller pieces. Prepare the pressure cooking pot. Put in the lamb shank. Put in onions. Put in garlic. Put in chopped carrots. Put in chopped pineapples. Put in mushrooms. Add in a teaspoon of salt. Coconut aminos. Add in some coconut aminos. Put in some water. Transfer the pot into the pressure cooker. Cover and seal the pressure cooker. Pressure cook for 90 minutes at 30 kPa. After 90 minutes of cooking, the lamb shank is ready to serve. Carefully transfer the lamb shank into the serving bowl. Then serve the vegetables and the soup. Garnish with some mint leaves. Pineapple lamb shank. Smells good. The meat is super tender. Super tasty. Why delicious? Ingredients: lamb shank, onions, garlic, mushrooms, pineapples, carrots, salt, black pepper, coconut aminos, soy sauce, ginger powder, mint leaves.
Yummy!